Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get approved for a PenFed credit card by doing this one hack. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So how to get approved for a PenFed credit card. So what is a shared secure loan? This is what we're going to use to get approved for a credit card in PenFed. So let's just go over what a shared secure loan is. A shared loan is a secure loan which uses your regular share account as a collateral for the loan. So the funds are placed on hold at a loan inception and are released incrementally each time you make a payment of the loan. So in other words, you are using your own money to basically pay back in a shared secure loan. This is why it's called secure. You're basically securing your own money and you're paying it back as a loan. And this basically helps show that you have payment history on your credit report and basically builds trust with the lender so that you can apply for other products in the future. So the minimum amount is $250 and there is no maximum amount, so you can have $1 million secure loan if you wanted to. You may select a repayment term up to 142 months as long as the minimum monthly payment does not fall below $25 a month. The interest is 2% plus the dividend rate of the collateralized account. So that's pretty good. No credit report is pulled for shared loans, so you won't get a hard inquiry and you're not hurting your credit report. So this is a win-win. This loan is guaranteed to be approved, so once you become a member of PenFed Credit Union, you will not be denied for this loan because it's a shared secure loan, so you're putting your own money up. And you will not be denied for this loan. This loan is guaranteed to be approved. It also reports to the credit bureaus as an installment loan. So if you do have a thin credit profile, this will definitely help boost your credit score tremendously. And if you don't have any type of account on your credit profile, this can also help you boost your credit score and get you at least a credit score showing. So this is definitely good for those that have little to none credit or wants to build a relationship with PenFed and get approved for credit cards. So how to use this loan to get approved for a credit card. Now I just want to say, if you've watched my Navy Federal videos about the pledge loan and how to use that to get approved for any credit card with Navy Federal, it's similar to this. The only thing about PenFed and Navy Federal is that PenFed does not offer the secured credit card, but they do offer the shared secure loan. So we have to use what they offer to get the best benefit of what we want. So to use this loan to get approved for a credit card, you want to call PenFed to apply for a shared secure loan. Now, you must be a member, just like you must be a member of Navy Federal. So if you're not a member and you're watching this, make sure you apply because anybody can become a member of PenFed, okay? This is open to all civilians. So call PenFed to apply for a shared secure loan at 724-473-6333 or 724 for PenFed or 1-800-247-5626. So to apply for a shared secure loan, you must have again at least $250 on deposit for at least 30 days in your account. Once you have at least $250 in your shared account for 30 days or more, you may apply for a open shared loan or a credit card. Now, this is not required to apply for a credit card. The reason why I say wait 30 days or more to apply for a credit card is because you're establishing credit history with PenFed with the shared secure loan. So if you're brand new or have little to no credit, then you want to take this route to build the trust with PenFed so you can apply for a credit card and get either approved or get approved with a really decent limit, because they do give out very nice limits similar to Navy Federal. Now, you will get a hard pull from Equifax FICO 9 when applying for a credit card with PenFed. So if anyone has any questions about, well, what do they pull from when you apply for a credit card, Equifax FICO 9. A good way to check your Equifax FICO 9 is on myfico.com. The best entry-level credit card is the PenFed Gold Visa. Now, I will do videos on more about their credit cards, but this is the best entry credit card to apply for if you're brand new to PenFed. This is a low tier, higher approval credit card. So helpful tips. This can help you get your foot in the door with PenFed, okay, and get approved for PenFed other products such as credit cards, auto loans, and unsecured loans, okay? So if you're looking to being able to get more credit, leverage your credit, then PenFed may be the best bet for you if you can't get into Navy Federal. If you have a thin credit profile with no loans, this will boost your score without much responsible or a large commitment. Remember, this is a shared secure loan, so there's no hard inquiry, and you put up your own money and it sits in your account, so it's not going anywhere. You're just paying it back gradually to show that you're building trust. And this is a really great product and a really great loan that lenders do offer so that you can actually build trust with them. And if you take the time and stay down to do this, you will be benefited in the long run. Okay, if you can't qualify for Navy Federal membership, then this is an opportunity to get in a credit union with similar products to get a higher credit limit. Remember, all civilians can join. You just need $5 minimum to join, and you will be able to join, and they'll give you your membership number. Building a relationship with PenFed for about 1 to 2 years can really help you get approved for a better credit limit. They aren't as lenient as Navy Federal, but they are close to Navy Federal when it comes to building relationships and getting approved for credit cards, and also having similar products as Navy Federal. So I hope this is beneficial for you guys. I know you guys wanted more content other than Navy Federal for those that don't qualify. So check it out and let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.